Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com here with your Wednesday morning market webcast. Okay, daily chart, and what I wrote down here, with every high or low, bears become more vulnerable to new highs. This can't stand. The lows yesterday were 77.5. As long as, and I'm just going to go right to the hourly chart, if this starts to progress, if this is anything more than some kind of an hourly flag that's going to break down, if this starts to progress, especially if it gets over 2,900, you are looking at new all-time highs. Because what you've got here is, let's zoom it out. That's just a nice little orderly pullback. Everybody resets, and up we go. And then any argument, oh, we're parabolic, we're overbought, we're this, we're that, forget it. We're not. Because we just pulled back 40 handles. And it'll go right back up again. So we did very well yesterday, almost exclusively on the short side. Between the overnight trade, we were short 88. I mean, all sum total is about 20 handle day, and we're sitting about 35, 36 on the week. We did a couple overnight, but I just got us out of the shorts on the last move up over 28.90. We have been shorting against that 90 area all night. You can see it pushing up into 91 now. For me, if it stays above 91, you've got VWAP at 87.75. 5-minute mid-band is at 28.88.75. Our proprietary moving average is sitting at 90. You convert that 2.5, 3-handle space of price, and you're going to make a move. They're going to make a run at weekly pivot. Now, every run at weekly pivot has been a sell. So they're going to have to deal with the demon that is up there at weekly pivot. But what this is telling me is they want to go take a look. They want to go take a look. What negates that? Breaking this low, 85.5, which we did at about 7 a.m. this morning. They put in matching lows down there at 85.5. So that's the key. All right, everybody have a fantastic day. We'll be out with a midday update. We'll be out with a wrap-up, all kinds of stuff on social. But it's pretty simple today. It lays out pretty crisply. You lay it out in a couple of minutes. If I can do something in 2 minutes, I'll do it in 2 minutes versus 4. Take care, everybody. Trade them well. I'll talk to you soon. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.